Hey everybody, I'm Zenny Abraham, CEO of Zenny62 Media, and I've been a WordPress user and builder of blogs using WordPress since 2010. And like you, I have worked to become an expert at the block system and try to use WordPress with just the block system and not revert to the classic format or use the classic plugin. You would say, why? Well, I found that the classic plugin was just a little bit heavier, if you will, on my blog, thereby reducing its performance by a little bit. Now, if you found a different experience, I want to know that, but I digress. I found the problem. And the problem happened when I set my WP config file to post revisions 0. Now, those of you who are seasoned WordPress blog builders and news website builders know why that's done, to lighten the load on your database. But when you're using only the block editor and you have a post that you want to delete, a funny thing happens that really isn't so funny. You can't delete it. The code word is that you have to install language called force equals true. But there's no place to tell you where that's done. There's no code specific to the WP config file that installs that readily, that I know of. If you do, correct me. So what I wound up doing was reinstalling the classic plugin. That is a bug that needs to be fixed. No one will want to use the WordPress Gutenberg block system, which is really a cool system, if they cannot enjoy the entire editing functionality that they're used to with the classic format of editing. And I can now see why the classic plugin has 5 million downloads. So I'm happy to hear your feedback on this. If you have any code suggestions for the WP config file to share, because the search results on this subject are inadequate. Subscribe to Zenny62 on YouTube and bookmark oaklandnewsnowblog.com. And check out my newly refurbished blog, classic blog, Zenny62blog.com. Thank you.